Nail stampers. We are going to be talking about these little helpful tools that you wouldn't be able to do nail stamping if it weren't for these. Basically, why isn't my nail stamper picking up designs well? Clean your stamper before use. You don't want to use your stamper when you have debris on it. Can you see what that looks like? You can see all the fuzz and everything. There's like a lint on that. You see that? Yeah. Clean your stamper before use. Another thing too is, you see how uneven that is? You just want to lightly make that even as well. That's going to affect the pickup and also the way that we go down for picking up the image. Okay. Now, if that does not work, I have the paper trick. And what this helps to do, the stamper heads are made out of silicone. And there's natural oils that come out of the silicone. And just leave it there for a few hours or overnight. Nothing's gonna happen to it, but when you let it sit, this is what happens. You see that? That's why I did it on black. I really wanted you guys to see the oil that comes seeping out of the silicone. Okay, so after you've done that, carefully put this back into the holder. And we carry debris on our hands too. Don't forget to take off the debris now. That's going to be the next step. Just because we've done that, we still got a lot of debris on the surface. So let's go ahead and there you go. Very nice even pickup. There you go.